Imagine if your money could work for you 24/7, growing even while you sleep. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not magic, it's compound interest. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how compound interest can transform your finances, turning small savings into substantial wealth over time. Compound interest is interest on interest. Unlike simple interest, where you only earn on your initial deposit, compound interest grows your money by reinvesting the earned interest. It's like planting a tree that not only bears fruit but also grows new trees each year. The more time you give it, the more powerful it becomes, thanks to the exponential effect. The real secret to compound interest is time. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit. Let's take an example. If you invest $1,000 at a 10% interest rate, in 10 years with simple interest, you'd have $2,000. But with compound interest, that grows to $2,193. Now imagine 20, 30, or even 40 years of compounding. It's the difference between having thousands or millions of dollars. The key is consistency. Adding a little each month can lead to incredible growth. Here's a quick trick called the Rule of 72. It helps you estimate how long it will take for your money to double. Just divide 72 by the interest rate. For example, if you're earning 8% annually, your money will double in about 9 years. Understanding this can motivate you to start investing sooner and choose better interest rates. Every day you wait to start investing, you're losing out on future growth. The earlier you begin, the more time compound interest has to work its magic. Even small amounts invested today can lead to significant wealth in the future. Don't fall into the trap of thinking it's too late or too little. Start where you are, with what you have. Compound interest is one of the most powerful financial tools at your disposal. It rewards time, patience, and consistency. If you want your money to work harder for you, start investing now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a boost in their financial journey. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. Let compound interest work for you and watch your wealth grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.